Hi guys, my name's Aline and I'm back with another episode and I'm here with my friends. Let me introduce you to them.
My name is Alia.
My name's Ali.
My name's Richard.
My name is Saifullah.
And my name's Abdullah.
And what is your favourite food, your favourite fast food?
KFC.
What do you have in KFC? Like, what do you get in KFC?
Chicken.
Standard noodles. That's what everybody gets.
Chicken.
Okay, what's your favourite food?
Chips. Chicken.
What kind of
Chicken.
Like
KFC.
fried, like a
Yeah,
burger.
chicken. I like meat.
My favourite food is
So,
what are
I
your
love to they ruin it.
KFC.
What's your favourite food, Alia?
Can I not answer this question?
everything.
Can you guys shut up? I'm gonna leave
Ali,
again.
what is your favourite food?
KFC.
What do you get in KFC? You can't
Chips. Chicken.
chips and chicken. Do you like milkshakes in KFC? What kind of milkshakes do you like?
Oreo.
Oreo milkshake. I like Oreo milkshakes.
I like chocolate milkshake
I
because
like
it's nice.
I like Skittles.
I like
the
what?
Skittle one.
What is Skittles?
It's a sweet.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
Hey,
okay.
I
What?
really get
Okay,
it.
for you, it's easy for you. Okay.
Oh,
What is
in
12
year 9.
times
Yeah.
12 times 8?
12 times 8,
96.
96.
Assistance.
Okay.
What
Okay,
is
ask me.
what is 9 times 8?
9 times 8 is 72.
What's 10 times 6 minus 4?
10 times 6 is 60 minus 4.
56.
What's 17 fifths as a mixed number?
I don't even know what you're asking me.
They do 56.
Oh, come on, you ask me this question. Why don't we ask you a question?
what-
What's 17 fifths as a mixed number? Tell me. It's 3 and 2 fifths.
What is 6 times 7?
6 times 7 is 42.
I thought it was 84.
Okay, let me give you one, Ollie. What is 6 times 6?
I don't know that.
Can you be quiet? It's your time.
Yeah, it's quite easy.
I'm not school.
No. 6 times 6 is what?
Oh, I know that now.
48. 54.
No, it's 36.
Oh, you know.
Okay.
Yes,
It's my turn. You didn't ask me this time.
Okay.
What is 1 times?
No. Ollie,
By the way, can't be 32 but kind of.
Alright, what is
36. What time?
20 times... Okay.
Okay, wait, this not yet. I start now, but I'm gonna be crying.
Alright, what is 36 divided by 1? No, shush.
36 divided by 1.
Yeah,
that's
easy. Okay. What is
Oh,
what is 5 divided by 2?
Wait, if you were like you can't half 5 though, but
Yes,
like,
you can.
If you can half 5, I don't know the decimals like
Yeah, it's so
me.
easy.
Same.
It's 2.5.
2.5.
I told you! 2.5!
Smart guy.
Stop telling each other.
Yeah, stop, man.
Yeah, but if you were to do a whole number,
Okay, stop now, stop.
that's what I was thinking.
What is, for you, I'm going to give you an easier fraction. What is
Easier?
5
You meant to give him a harder.
In it,
He's in year
No,
9.
no.
Fractions.
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 Oh.
If you remember fractions.
Jamaica is a
Jacob.
Jacob.
Jacob?
Name a country beginning with P.
No, B. Bob.
Okay, I want to tell you a really story. You know, like Adolf Hitler's like leader of the Nazis, yeah, German. Basically, yeah. I was seeing a test yesterday. One of the questions.
Alright, shush now.
No. You know what my friend
Shush.
put? It was the question was who led the Romans to invade England? Yeah, sure, Adolf Hitler.
What is your favourite country?
Denmark, and I don't know.
Why?
I just love Denmark.
You just love Denmark.
Yeah, I just love it.
Ollie, what's your favourite country?
What's your
Any country.
any country?
Your favourite.
Skip me.
Skip.
Okay.
Brazil.
Why?
Because. That's your turn.
No, why?
Why do I like Brazil? Oh, because it's very nice and sunny. And sometimes it's.
Pakistan's in the rock.
Don't laugh.
As you look at this, the boss in the name. When you learn my face,
No,
what
you
they say.
can't hear what you're saying, you're laughing.
No, you have to say it now. Say
Okay, Pakistan.
China.
Why?
Because I like the Great Wall of China. I think it's beautiful.
Okay,
And the food.
I like Dubai because like it's so sunny and like you can go in the desert.
And
Just
me, Adam
chillax.
Saleh.
No, I can see. I can meet the vloggers in Dubai.
Oh yeah.
Who's
Okay.
meet the vloggers?
There's like just kind of there's YouTubers. The three siblings. Yeah. And if you had a choice, would you go in the future or would you go in World War One?
So like the past. I'd go to the past, but I wouldn't want to be a part of the World War because I want to see like there's lots of family members that like I never met because they like passed before I was born. So I want to see them, see what they were like.
Or what about you? Future?
No, nothing.
No, say something.
Just future.
Future. Why would you go? What would you see? What do you want to see in the future? Like how the new inventions are.
No, myself.
You want to see yourself in
What would
the
you like
future?
to? You want to see yourself in the future?
No, we don't want to see the new inventions. Like new cars. Maybe they have. You know, on your Apple Watch,
I
press this
wanna-
button, the car will go for you.
I just want to click and then a big pizza comes in my face.
A big piece that comes. Okay.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Good job.
You next.
I would like to see I would like to see T-Series taking over PewDiePie.
But in the future. In the
No,
future.
In the future, yes, I know PewDiePie is gonna go down.
Wait. Okay, but what would you see in the future? The
What
new
would I see?
inventions.
Oh,
And why would you go in the future?
I would go in the future because I just want to see like
How
the
everything
new
looks.
footballers and stuff.
Okay. What about you?
To see the new inventions. No, actually, I would go back to World War One to fight in war.
Why?
You can't. You're gonna be yourself.
So I didn't fight in war.
You can't fight because they already happened.
Yeah, so I'll go back in the
The
past and I'll
aftermath
be
of
a
the war.
part of it. Is that not? Okay, then I go in the future and have new inventions.
I like to go to the future, travel, visit China, and draw a painting of the Great Wall of China.
Why would you do it?
I just
And
see how
if I go
will
back
be
in
there.
time, I'll be famous because it's in the future.
Okay,
It hasn't happened then in the future.
I'll make
I'll go in the
predictions.
future because like I want to see the new inventions. I want to see how like people dress, and
Oh, can I say something? I want to go to the future, yeah, just to ask people what year it is. I would want to do that so like I could like
and I want to get a pet there.
get
pet.
fit.
I'll get a pet.
Robots.
I'll take my cousin with me.
Wait,
Can
I just ask
Why would you take your cousin
in the
with you?
future?
because like he's good at directions and
What's
I
his
can
name?
no.
I'll take my dog with me.
Wait.
Is it disrespectful?
Wait,
Like,
Wait, I got a question.
I don't want to say it. I don't want to say
Wait,
it.
I got a question.
What's the question?
In the future, I will just squish Santa's belly and make him belly. I will shave his beard and see who he really is.
But he's Santa.
He's Santa.
Even if you take his beard, it'll just be a beardless Santa.
Okay, wait.
Don't say
Even the
secret.
Santa's not real, but okay.
I'll shave his eyebrows.
Why would you shave his eyebrows?
Talk for fun. For fun.
I
For
cha-
breaking into your house.
I changed my
Do you
mind.
know Santa? Yeah.
Why he break into your house?
I'll-
Without your
Wait,
permission?
I'll go back
Wait,
in the past.
would you
and
ever? Okay, look. If it's Christmas, do you like believe in Santa?
No.
No, I hate Santa.
Do you believe in Santa?
I believe in my dog.
We are Muslim on.
What?
I hate Santa.
never-
Yeah, because
I don't
Santa to your house.
I don't believe in Santa.
Why?
Because once I saw my mom give me presents. I saw her giving me.
Yeah, but can I say,
I saw her putting a chocolate bar on my Xbox.
I would go in
So
the
I went
past
to
and
LA.
I would make him skinny again.
I think you have to make two people more skinny.
Including you? Yeah, I know.
Have you watched
No,
the video where
including my dog.
Tiffany and just
My dog's a bit fat.
my dog.
Wait, there's haram to have a dog in the house.
It's a guard dog. I'm scared. Of bedbugs.
Do you know?
Oh my God.
Okay, in your house, do you have any pets?
Okay. No.
Yeah, I do. I've got him.
Landlord said no.
So,
Landlord
Tanya, do you have any pets in your house?
No, landlord said no.
You?
No, we used to.
You?
I have a dog.
And what's his name?
It's a girl and her name's Ruby.
Do you love her?
Yeah, she's my dog.
Right.
She's my she's
Fluffy.
yeah.
It's scary. She tried to bite me once.
She's a guard dog. That's why.
I'm not joking. She actually did.
When?
When they went to pick you up.
Okay, no, shush. Okay, do you have any pets?
No.
Do you?
No, I don't have a pet.
I used to have a cat. His name is Percy and he's a boy.
Percy.
Person.
Percy.
You blame
Percy!
Oh.
Boy, shut up. Oh my god! Okay, I used to have a cat called Percy. He's brown and white, yeah, but kind of like a ginger brownish. And he has one green, one blue eye.
He's a girl.
And he's a boy and he's so cute.
I teach him how to kill people.
He's 1 year old, yeah. And Ollie, he taught him how to do karate. And he scratching me on my arm. I'm trying to say, please, Percy. And he's like, hiya!
How old is he now?
He's 1. And then I used to have a kitten. Her name was Chia. She's a girl. She's all black and like she has green eyes.
Oh my God.
She's so
She
cute.
can
I love her. I love her so much. She's like 11 months.
And then she got kidnapped.
No, she didn't. Baba gave her away.
Why? Huh?
Because Baba gave her away.
I used to have a dog. His name was, I forgot
Bob.
his name. Was
They said Bob.
oh yeah, Bob.
You know what? Ollie used to have a dog called Bob.
My dog was too fat though.
Whenever you look at the floor.
Okay.
Couldn't fit his bed.
What kind of